Welcome to our comprehensive review of the electrician practice exam. Today, we will walk through several key concepts, from basic circuit math to specific code requirements, to help you ace your test. Let us start with core calculations. For a synchronous motor running at 125 volts and 10 amps, the resistance is 12.5 ohms. If you have a 240-volt motor with 28 ohms of resistance, the wattage calculates to exactly 2,057 watts. For combination circuits, you calculate the parallel section first, then add the series component. A 12-ohm resistor in series with 3, 6, and 9-ohm resistors in parallel yields a total circuit resistance of 13.64 ohms. Neutral current calculations are also heavily tested. On a 120/240-volt circuit with a 1,200-watt load on one leg and a 6,000-watt load on the other, the neutral wire carries the unbalanced load, which is 30 amps. Moving to logic and measurement, the decimal number 6 translates to the binary number 0110. For precise resistance measurements, a Wheatstone bridge is used, and it is true that it can accurately measure anywhere from 1 to 100,000 ohms. Understanding basic components is crucial. The term normally open contacts means that the contacts remain open when the circuit is de-energized. Additionally, the color bands on the standard resistor specifically indicates its resistance value, rather than voltage or current. When selecting high-voltage equipment, vacuum circuit breakers are preferred because they offer high reliability and low maintenance. For voltage stepping, remember that an autotransformer is unique because it relies on shared windings rather than electrically isolated ones. Let us look at electromagnetic principles. A DC motor operates because a current-carrying conductor in a magnetic field experiences a physical force. Conversely, in a generator, reversing the motion of the conductor will reverse the direction of the induced current. For motor control, starting a rotary phase converter requires the use of capacitors. When monitoring motor speed, a tachometer's output is measured in RPM. If an AC drive system includes a tacho generator, it operates as a closed-loop system. Cable specifications are essential knowledge. Tech 90 cable is permitted in non-ventilated trays in wet locations. MI cable has a maximum reading of 600 volts, and TEEW wire is rated for 600 volts at 105 degrees Celsius, though not for hard usage. For specific wiring applications, the minimum size for a single-conductor aluminum sheath cable for consumer service is number 3 AWG. When running Cat5e wiring in a platinum space, you must use FCC-rated cable to meet strict fire safety standards. Safety and technique matter on the job. A double-insulated drill is safe to use without a ground connection. When soldering, the correct method is to heat the joint first, then apply the solder to ensure a secure electrical bond. Finally, looking at systems, when mixing lead-acid battery electrolyte, always add the acid to the water. A 100 amp-hour battery delivering 8 amps lasts about 12 hours. Also, high-temperature cutout circuits are designated as Class 2 circuits. That covers the key questions from this electrician practice test. Review these principles carefully, from basic circuit calculations to specific code and cable ratings, and you will be well prepared for your upcoming exams.